Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is find the next greatest element in the array. For example, this is array size, this is array element. We have to consider that 2, the next greatest element in this array is from right side, it's 4. So we have to print the in 2 position, we have to print 4. After that, for 1 also, that greatest element is right side is 4. So 1 is replaced by 4. After that, 4, right side element is 3, 2, it's smaller than 4. So we have to print 4 only. Okay, then it will come here 3. The next greatest element is it's the smallest element 2. So it's print itself as 3 itself. Then 2, there is no element right side, so it will print -1. Okay, so that's a program. Shall we begin with that? As usual, we get input from the user. After that, we store the elements. Error of I equal to sc.nestin. So the element will get stored in this way. I just copy paste it. So likewise, the element will get stored in an array. After that, I iterate a for loop. It will run up to I equal to 0, I less than I num minus 1, which is I num is 5, right? 5 minus 1, 4. So the loop will run up to 4. Okay. Then I assign I is equal to 0, I less than I num. First iteration, I is equal to 0. So A is equal to air of I is 0, right? So air of 0, which is 2. 2 will get stored. Then inside loop for int j equal to I plus 1, j less than I num. So j equal to I plus 1. Here I is 1. So I plus 1 is j is equal to 1. So error of j, if error of 1 is greater than a is 2 right now. So error of 1, which is error of 1 value what is 1. 1 greater than 2, no. The if condition false, so j will get incremented to 2. 2. So error of 2 is greater than 2. Error of 2 is 4. As the condition satisfied, so it will come inside the if condition. It's assigned a equal to error of j. Error of j is what? Error of 2, which is 4. So a is equal to 4. Error of I equal to a. So error of I is 0, right? So error of 0 is equal to 4. So now it's replaced. In 0 position, the 4 will come. Okay. Then j will get incremented to 3. J will get incremented to 3. The condition false. Here we simply put break statement. Okay. So that the j loop will get. After that, it will break the statement. Then no. If we assign break, it will not check. So j will get incremented to Now now j will get incremented to 3. Error of 3. Error of 3 is what? Error of 3 is 3. 3 greater than 2. So the condition false. Then j will get incremented to 4. So error of 4, which is 2. 2 greater than 2. The condition false. So it will come outside the loop. After that, I will get incremented to 1. 1. So a is equal to error of 1, which is 1, right? 1. Now j is equal to I plus 1. So I is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. J is equal to 2. Error of 2 is greater than 1. Okay, error of 2 is what? 4. So 4 greater than 1 as the condition true. So it will inside the loop, inside the if condition, error of a is equal to error of 2, 4. Error of 1 is also replaced to 4. Okay, then j will get incremented to 3. Now error of error of 3 is greater than, now a is reassigned to 4, right? So error of 3 is greater than 4. So error of 3 is what? 3. 3 greater than 4. Condition fails. So j will get incremented to 4. Error of 4, which is 2. 2 greater than 4. The condition false. So I will get incremented to 2. Okay. Now a is equal to error of 2, which is 4. J is equal to I plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. J is equal to 3. Okay. Now error of 3 is greater than 4. Error of 3 is 3. 3 greater than 4. No, the condition false. So J will get incremented to 4. Error of 4 is 2. 2 greater than 4. No, the condition false. So it will come outside the loop. I will get incremented to 3. Now I will get incremented to 3, right? 3 less than 4, the condition true. Now a is equal to error of 3. Error of 3, which is 3. Okay. Now j is equal to I plus 1. 3 plus 1, j is equal to 4. Error of 4 is greater than a. A is 3, right? Error of 4 is 2. 2 greater than 3. No, the condition false. So it will come outside the for loop. After that, I will get incremented to 4. 4 less than 4. The condition fails. So it will come outside the for loop. It assigns ARR of I num, which is 5 minus 1. So it will become ARR of 4. ARR of 4, which is equal to minus 1, because the last element is 2. There is no element right side, so it will print default minus 1. We assigned it. Here 3, there is no greater element, so it will not change. The array remains same itself. Okay, after that we print arrays dot toString of array, which will print the array in inside the bracket. Okay, shall we run the program? 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, here the 2, the greater element is 4 right side, so it will print 4. 1, the greater element is 4, right side, so it will replace 4. 4, there is no greater element, so it remains its same itself. Then 3, there is no greater element, right side, so it remains same itself. For 2, there is no greater than element, so it will reassign to -1. Hope you understand the program. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.